Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by signing into your Microsoft account on the Windows login screen. This syncs settings and gives access to online services. Once signed in, make sure your PC is connected to a stable network and Windows Update is current so you avoid interruptions. If you haven't used a Microsoft account, create one now using your email. This is required for many online features. Also confirm OneDrive setup so documents stay backed up while you continue to set up online features. Next, enable and configure Windows Online features inside Settings. Go to Accounts, then sync to pick what settings travel with your account. Doing this saves time on other devices. Open the Microsoft Store to download apps tied to your account. Approve prompts so licenses attached to your profile. For files, open OneDrive, choose which folders to sync, and adjust storage options to prevent full drives. Doing these steps ensures apps, settings, and files stay consistent across devices. Finish by verifying your device appears on your Microsoft account page so remote services work. Test key functions. Upload a file to OneDrive and open a Store app to confirm sign-in and licensing. If something fails, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens. If sync or connectivity persists, run a network reset and check date and time settings. Make sure Windows Update completed. Often patches fix authentication bugs, and then retry the sync steps to confirm everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.